Once during a war, an arrow became stuck in the body of Ali Rali Allahu Anhu. While his companions were removing the arrow, one small piece of arrow was left in his body. They tried hard to remove the piece but failed to do so. They didn't want him to be in pain. They tried their best to do it without surgery but to no avail. He failed. Ali Rali Allahu Anhu noticed their situation and gave a solution. He said, "You can perform the surgery while I am praying." Ali Rali Allahu Anhu started praying. He lost his connections with his surroundings. At this time his companions performed the surgery and removed the piece of arrow, but Ali Rali Allahu Anhu didn't feel the pain as he lost the connections with his surroundings. After his prayer, Ali Rali Allahu Anhu asked to his companions, "Why you didn't perform the surgery as I suggested?" They replied by saying they already did it. This is how the Sahabas prayed.